Hi, I am Colette, and I am going to do a tutorial on how to make dead bread or pan de muerto. It's a food commonly eaten on Dia de los Muertos.
Okay, the first step is the ingredients. And the dough ingredients consist of 5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of milk, a half a cup of butter, 4 eggs, 2 packets of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of anise extract. To start, I added 1.5 cups of flour into the bowl, and you don't want to put all 5 cups in yet. I'm also adding a half a cup of sugar, and I'm adding the 2 packets of yeast. During this step, you also want to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of anise. Okay, so once you get all these ingredients together, you're just going to want to mix them up. And once you mix them up, you're just going to set this bowl aside, and we're going to move on to the next step. So in a saucepan on low, you're going to want to heat a half a cup of water, a half a cup of milk, and a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter. And you're going to do this until the butter melts. Okay, so it should take a couple minutes to get the butter to fully melt, but once it has melted, this is what the substance should look like. Okay, so now you're going to add your liquid to your solids. And you're going to mix them together thoroughly. Okay, so you're going to add the 4 eggs now, and you're just going to mix them together. Okay, this is what the product should look like when you mix the eggs into it. It's quite liquidy. Okay, so you're going to want to